Okay, so how are you getting on with your Joyas?
Absolutely perfect.
So they really helped you?
Oh yeah, without a doubt. Without a doubt.
So how are you finding them?
Comfortable now, I've worn them in and got very used to them. Still getting a little bit of the balance, but I've got it sorted out. And apart from that, couldn't be better. Best thing since sliced bread.
Oh, brilliant. So it was worth the investment getting
Absolutely.
a really good pair of shoes.
After all what I've gone through in the past couple of years, I mean, this is the first time that I've had the back pain gone.
Oh, amazing. I'm so delighted.
You're not the only one.
Job satisfaction all round.
Oh, without a doubt.
All right. Okay, thank you. Towards me. And turn. Me. Fantastic. So things are 95% better.
Oh, absolutely.
Fantastic.